2-in-1 Bluetooth transmitter-receiver adapter with low latency. The package includes 2-in-1 Bluetooth transmitter-receiver, 3.5mm audio cable, USB charging cable, 0.5mm female to 2 RCA male cable, user guide. Pairing in transmitter mode. Set TX90 to TX mode by plugging the audio cable into the TX jack. After that, long press the power button to power on TX90 until the blue light is on. Place your Bluetooth device within the 10-meter range. The LED will flash blue and red, entering into searching mode for Bluetooth pairing.
Scale of 1 to 10, Stephen says his love of the Yuletide season hits about a 9.8.
Pair with 2 Bluetooth devices in TX mode. After successfully pairing with the first Bluetooth speaker, you can add a second Bluetooth speaker. First, short press the power button. The flash red and blue light indicates it is in pairing mode. And then turn on the second Bluetooth speaker. TX19 turn blue flash slowly again when paired with the second Bluetooth speaker.
Of the celebration of African art and design aim to provide a platform for creators and raise awareness of Africa's homegrown talent.
Pairing in receiver mode. Set the TX19 to RX mode by plugging the audio cable into the RX jack. Please make sure that the audio cable has inserted into the RX jack before powered on TX90. Long press power button to turn on TX19 until blue light is on. Turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone.
Hi.
Scan for nearby Bluetooth devices and click on TX90. When successfully paired, the LED will turn blue, flashing slowly. Connect the TX90 to your non-Bluetooth speaker to cue it Bluetooth. How to connect it to 2 pieces of TX90. If your laptop and speaker have no Bluetooth functionality, you can buy 2 pieces of TX90 to enable Bluetooth function. Connect the laptop with TX90 in TX jack. Connect the speaker with another TX90 in RX jack. Power on 2 devices at the same time.